How to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your video is mirrored on WhatsApp calls. So let's just jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to do the video call and try to video call that person. So go ahead and tap on the video call icon at the top right, and then you should be able to begin the video call. But if your video shows mirrored or inverted images, then in that case, what you need to do first is tap on the settings icon, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find your app settings, and on your app settings you can just search for WhatsApp. So tap on the search icon at the top and then search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp, then click on storage. You're gonna have to clear cache. So sometimes the camera might be glitching. In that case, what you can do is go to permissions, and then you can turn off the camera access for once, tap on camera, and then tap on don't allow. After this, go back, and then go back again. Now go back to your permissions, and then allow the camera access again. Tap on camera, and then allow. So once you've done this, just give your WhatsApp a quick restart and see if that fixes the issue. And then if that is still not fixing the problem, then you can check on other apps like your camera, Snapchat, and other apps that access your camera and see if you're having trouble in those apps as well. If not, then you can just go ahead and open WhatsApp and report a problem. So go ahead and click on the three lines, go to settings, scroll down until you find help, and then help center. On your help center, you can contact WhatsApp support and tell them your problem. So tap on contact us button at the bottom right. Now you can just briefly explain what your problem is and they will assist you with your problem. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.